Okay, folks, it just arrived. Sorry about that. It just arrived in the mail today. Actually, it wasn't in the mail. It just arrived from FedEx. So let's check it out. It's a RMKL203P 200 watt foot warmer. And you know what a foot warmer is. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Then wire her up and put her in the vehicle. Curious. Oh yeah, baby. Not very big. Pretty tiny. Linear, so it's got a AM, FM, and single sideband. Pretty cool. We'll have to try this baby out. Hook her up. Give her a shot in the vehicle. That's made in Italy. Supposed to be a pretty good one. So it's definitely going to increase the power a lot and help me on the DX. When somebody doesn't hear me, I flick that baby on and they will hear me. All right. There's some of the stuff right there on it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers. Stay tuned for an update on this thing when I'm using it. See how good I can get out.